Hello there, everybody on YouTube and subscribers. So, tonight I'm trying the peanut butter cookie dough party blizzard. See, it's made out of some chocolate chip cookie dough and some peanut butter toppings and some sprinkles on them. Anyways, what I'm going to do is give this one a try. At least it looks nice and thick. Anyways, let's give this a try. Mmm, yummy. Yep, it tastes like chocolate chip cookie dough with some peanut butter on it. Mmm. So let's give this one another try. So here we go. Mmm, delicious. I have to say, it's one of the best, yummiest flavor that I ever tasted, in my opinion. So yeah. So anyways, here's a little bit of trivia fun facts. Did you know that Jeffrey the Giraffe from Toys R Us and Tony the Tiger from Frosted Flakes were all voiced by the late legendary voice actor and singer Thurl Ravenscroft? His voice for the two characters sounds a lot deeper than the other ones. Yeah, that's one type of history. Ooh, look at that. The way how they put some sprinkles on them. Mmm, yummy. So anyways, guys, I highly recommend to try this flavor on this Blizzard treat because it's got cookie dough with some peanut butter and some sprinkles on them. So yeah. So anyways, YouTubers and everyone, I've been planning to do some reviews on the classic DVDs that I remember watching at the time, and yeah, so I might plan to do some Q&A videos for the Five Nights at Freddy's characters, along with some other characters too. So anyways, if you enjoy this review on this Blizzard right here, feel free to like, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will greatly appreciate for the support on the channel. So anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see what I can do, and I'll do my best because that's the best I can do. Anyways, see you in the next video.